Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox Studio. You will immediately dive into creating your own unique game. Roblox Studio provides a user-friendly interface for bringing your ideas to life. We will cover the essential steps, from initial setup to publishing your first project, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. Get ready to build something amazing today. Moving around your virtual environment is crucial for effective building. You can use the W, A, S, D keys to pan your view, while holding the right mouse button lets you rotate the camera freely. The Explorer window, usually on the right, organizes all your parts and models, similar to a file directory. Below it, the Properties window offers detailed adjustments for anything you select, from an object's position to its material. Mastering these controls will significantly speed up your workflow. To begin building, simply navigate to the Model tab and click Part to insert a basic block. Once inserted, use the Move tool to drag it around, the Scale tool to resize it along 3 axes, and the Rotate tool to spin it in any direction. For instance, you could scale a block to be 3 studs wide by 8 studs long, then change its material to wood planks and its color to a rich brown. Experiment with these tools to construct simple houses, obstacles, or anything you envision. Scripts are the magic behind any interactive game. They tell your objects what to do. Imagine you want a door to open automatically when a player approaches. You would attach a script to that door. For example, a script could change a part's transparency to 0 when touched, making it disappear. These shortcode snippets, written in Lua, power everything from simple color changes to complex game mechanics. Even a 5-line script can create a noticeable effect, providing instant gratification as you learn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.